Hello, this is Richard Collins in Oklahoma City. Today we're going to be talking about the Workcentre M20i or the Workcentre M15i. And perhaps on your machine you're having trouble jams. Well, more than likely you need to replace the fuser. So what you need to do is go ahead and turn your machine off, unplug your machine, and walk away for 30 minutes. And then you're going to order a new fuser for your machine. And any of these parts that you need, just give us a holler. We can sell them to you. And you're going to go ahead and open up this door on the right hand side of your machine. And you're going to see this, and more than likely this is where you've been having all your jams. There's 4 screws that hold the fuser in. You're going to remove those 4 screws. Careful not to drop them. Okay, and once you've had those 4 screws removed, go ahead and unplug the fuser. Remove it. Now this has already been unplugged and turned off for at least 30 minutes, so it's cool. Take it out. Set it aside. Get your new one, and we're going to reverse the process. Go ahead and plug it in. And then put your 4 wires back in, or 4 screws back in there. Now the fuser for the M15 and the fuser for the M20 are 2 different fusers. So you want to make sure you order the right fuser. Now perhaps you have a different model that looks similar to this machine. Call us up, let us know, and we'll make sure you get the right fuser for your machine. Okay, once we have the screws in place, and this should cure your problem of jams. And there you have it. Go ahead and close it back up and you're ready to go. Any questions, give us a call. We have all the parts for this machine and the M20 and the M15i.